Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to prioritize typing test in review on the Memrise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen and go to the learning settings button. Go to the Let's Type Preferences section, and you can find the third option, the Prioritize Typing Test in Review. New, this function will be disabled, but if you want to turn on, just click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned yellow, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.